it depends on how ready I am at the present time. But I can't just spend too much on marriage like that, like the way our people does these days. You can see a lot of people after marriage, they'll be running up and down for debt and all that. It happens to one of my brother like that. He has to run away from Nigeria due to debt and all that. If you have 100,000, you can marry now.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
I plan to have a fantasy wedding.
So you're looking at around
$3 million.
$3 million. Oh man, that's good.
It's about 1.8 million naira.
1.8 million naira.
Yes.
That's your budget for a marriage.
Yes, that's my budget.
I think 450,000 will be okay.
Between 3 million or 2.5 million. That's my budget.
Okay.
Hall is there and everything is there, So, hall is about like 1 million, a good hall, So, yeah, 3 million is okay.
I see things from different angle and different perspective. I don't always think nothing is possible. I believe everything is possible. So my wedding, the way I see the budget is in billions.
Are you serious?
In billions, I'm telling you. Because everybody, see, the president is going to be there.
If possible, 10 million.
10 million naira.
Yes.
All right.
Just 1 million portion.
I said before 10 million. I think it's enough.
By the grace of God, I'm a married man. By the time I get married, I always spend like 350 to 400,000.
That was what year?
That was last year, 2016.
350,000 naira.
Let me say 400,000.
For everything.
Yeah. Wow. Because I cut my clothes according to my size.
My marriage, I would say I don't believe in elaborate wedding, so it depends on the
like 200,000 naira.
I can't say this is the exact price, my brother. I can't say this is the exact price. Okay. To me, I would say even if just going for the courts and not even because the marriage is the most important thing to me, not the wedding.
To marry this time around. I don't even want to marry right now. At least. As in, if you want to do, maybe you want to just manage yourself. Just at least 1.5.
1.5. Yeah. So that means guys that have maybe 300,000 naira, they will not get married.
That's the reason why people are just running for marriage.
Are you serious?
Of course, my brother.
I think I budget up to 500,000.
500,000 naira for marriage?
Yes. Because a lot of things will be involved. Refreshment, engagements, and wedding gown and all the other stuff.
I can't really say for now. Let's wait till then. I can't really say for now. I can't start placing the budget for what I had not started planning for.
30 million naira.
30 million naira for marriage? Are you serious?
Yes, I want a wonderful hall for the reception. First of all, we'll have various kind of meal. Would have what else? Honeymoon would be wonderful. I plan to give her. I think my budget might even increase because I plan to give her a very, very wonderful car, a Camaro, for her wedding gift, for getting married to me. Yes.
I'm someone who likes luxury a lot. I don't like too much money, but I like all the things money can buy. And okay, yes, if I want to have a wedding right now in this current dispensation, and I would say right now I would be spending about probably $50,000 or so.
$50,000.
A small wedding, actually. A small wedding I think probably by the beach or something.
Honestly, I think Nigerians spend too much on marriage, but I don't have anything against them because if they have the money and they can afford it, yes. But me, I won't really like to have a crowded marriage, so my budget might not be as expensive as 100 million. You understand? If you just something simple, I'm a very, very simple person, so I think a simple marriage will do. I mean, it's not the wedding that matters; it's the marriage itself.